So this is a NETVIEW security Sentry Plus system, and it doesn't want to connect to the Wi-Fi at my house. I'm sitting at my business right now, so that's what I get, and it'll say timed out, so live stream, timeout, reconnect. And we'll sit here and watch it, and it'll go to timeout again because it's not connecting with the Wi-Fi where the camera is located. And that camera was the front tree and medium Wi-Fi strength online. And so it's not showing a battery location or anything because it did not connect up to the internet. Black camera is the same way. It might tell me battery strength. Let's see. Nope, it's not going to show me battery level, but it's 100%. Wi-Fi strength is strong. Status online. Black camera. Okay, there it came up. Battery charged, Wi-Fi strength. And I guess that's that little battery indicator up there that showed it was fully charged. But I'm not getting a connection with that one. I'm not getting a connection with that one. And you can see right there the battery's almost fully charged. And the Wi-Fi strength was good. But here's the one that seems to be working great. That's a live view. Wi-Fi strength strong, online, back door. Camera's only about half charged. And I'm not sure what just happened. Oh, I went back for some reason. So I'll pull up the NETVIEW app. It just dropped out for some reason. And back door. So it's having to open up the app again. And you see the one that's working correctly came up with an image. That one didn't, and that one didn't, so it's not connected. But that's actually a live. And that shows me things that have happened at the house and movement. That's doing what it's supposed to. And this camera will connect. It takes it a while. Okay, and so my image is upside down. I just did that, so I did something wrong. But if you can see, I can move the camera. So it's connected online. That actually is more. Nope. That actually is advanced settings, installation settings. Rotate image, I want to turn it off. There it is. Now it's right side up. And I can't do that on my other one because it won't connect. But this camera is doing just perfect. So I have one that is doing just perfect. And two that are misbehaving. And this is a NETVIEW Sentry Plus camera system, and I love the one that's working, and I really dislike the two that aren't. I said that's my live view, and I can turn the sound on, and I can hear what's going on. I can set up the audible alarm. alarm is ringing. Turn on. It's actually making quite a noise at my house, so if someone was at the house they wouldn't like it. Turn on a white light if it was dark, but it's real lit up. But it does light up the area, and I can talk to someone if I want to, and that's how it's supposed to work. Unlike that one, where it just goes to connecting and doesn't do anything, and unlike that one that just says connecting and doesn't do anything. And both of those Wi-Fi signals are good, and that both of the batteries are charged, and it just won't connect. It just goes to timeout. That should explain it.